Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make lemon chicken, oven baked lemon chicken. So what I need is I'm going to need some oil, olive oil. That's about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, all-purpose seasoning for a tablespoon, Italian herbs, a teaspoon, paprika, just a teaspoon, ginger, a teaspoon of ginger, and then salt, teaspoon of salt, then also a tablespoon of chicken base, chicken spices, that's chicken base spices, and garlic, tablespoon of garlic. And I'll see if I can mix this together. So for the lemon, I'm going to add the lemon juice very soon. As for lemon, I'm going to add 1 lemon juice. I'm going to squeeze in. So I'll remove the seeds, so don't worry about the seeds. I'll remove them before I marinate the chicken. 1 lemon juice squeezed. So I'm just gonna remove the seeds, the lemon seeds. Just gonna remove them. Now just mixing my marinade. Alright guys, now I'm just gonna add some parsley. So I've just cut some parsley, fresh parsley. Just add fresh parsley in there. And then mix the marinade. I'm just adding a little bit of oil. Just adding a little bit of oil, and then so just adding my chicken, guys. Just marinating this chicken. So these are chicken pieces, guys. You can use whatever chicken pieces you've got, but I'm just gonna use these chicken pieces, marinate, and let them sit. I'm going to let them sit for an hour. If you can marinate overnight, that's also still okay. But I'm just going to marinate this. Just Alright guys, this is well marinated now, so I'm going to let them sit in the fridge and marinate for 1 hour, and I'll come back and show you how I'm going to cook them in the oven, and I'll show you the result after. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you can. Thank you. Alright guys, so the chicken has been marinating for 1 hour. So now I'm going to place the chicken in an oven dish, just like that. So just pouring the leftover marinade on the chicken. Alright guys, to increase the lemon flavor, I've cut a lemon, one lemon, which I've cut into slices. And I'm just gonna place it on top of my chicken and in the oven for 1 hour, 200 degrees for 1 hour, and I'll check to see how the chicken looks. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, this is how the chicken looks. I oven baked it for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Alright, there you go. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to remove the lemons.